Good morning, students. Today we will read Chapter 1 History of Computers. Computers are essential components which fulfill everyday tasks in our lives. They are known for their speed, accuracy, diligence, high storage capacity, versatility, and communication abilities. Computers have come a long way from simple calculating machines to the powerful complex supercomputers. Let us look at a brief history of the development of computers. Early calculating device. See, here I have marked some definitions with red pen. You have to note down these definitions in your computer notebook. First is your abacus. The abacus was the first numerical calculator developed in China approximately in 2600 BC. It performed simple addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of numbers. An abacus consists of beads that can be moved on a series of sticks within a wooden frame. Here you can see the picture of abacus. Next is your Nipper's bone. Nipper's bones was invented in 1617 by Scottish mathematician Sir John Nippers. The device was used to solve complex multiplication and division calculations easily. It consisted of rods made from bones with numbers marked on them, hence called Nipper's bones. Next is your Pascaline calculator. The Pascaline calculator was developed in 1642 by a French mathematician Blaise Pascal. It was made up of wheels, dials, and gears. It could solve complex mathematical calculations involving large numbers. It is considered as the first mechanical calculator in the world. Comes to next page, difference engine. The difference engine was invented in 1822 by Charles Babbage of England. This device was made from mechanical parts. It could perform tabular calculations. Analytical engine. The analytical engine was also invented by Charles Babbage in 1833. This machine was made from steam-driven mechanical parts. It could perform all arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. It had all the main parts that any modern computer have: input device, storage device, a central processing unit, and an output device. Thus, Charles Babbage is also known as the father of the modern computer. See, here you can see that the analytical engine and the difference engine. Comes to next point, evolution of computers. The computers that we use today in the outcome of development of different generations of computing devices. Each generation of computers is characterized by a major technological development that fundamentally change the way computer operate. Each generation resulted in smaller, cheaper, more powerful, and more reliable computers. Let us discuss the character of different generation of computer. The first generation computers, that is 1946 to 1958. The first generation computer used vacuum tube. Here you can see the picture of vacuum tubes in their circuit. These computers use magnetic drums for memory, were huge in size and very expensive. It consumed large amount of electricity and generated a lot of heat. It used machine language and could solve only one problem at a time. The ENIAC, electronic numerical integrator and computer, and UNIVAC 1. that is Universal Automatic Computer 1, are the example of first generation computer. Comes to second generation computers, that is 1956 to 1963. The second generation computers replaced vacuum tubes with transistors. Here you can see the picture of transistors. These computers used magnetic drums with magnetic cores for memory. It were the first computers that stored the instruction in their memory. It moved from machine language to assembly language. The IBM 1401. Here you can see the picture of IBM 1401 and NCR 304 are example of second generation computer. Comes to third generation computers, that is 1964 to 1971. The third generation computers use integrated circuit, that is IC. These computers use smaller size transistors placed on silicon chip called semiconductors. It used an operating system for their overall functioning. Here you can see that the integrated circuit. It started using keyboards and monitors, supported high-level language, were capable of running several programs at the same time, became accessible to common man owing to much reduced size and cost. PDP-8 and IBM 360 are example of third generation computers. Next is your fourth generation computers, that is 1971 to present. The fourth generation computer use microprocessor. These computers have thousands of integrated circuits built onto a single silicon chip. Here you can see the picture of microprocessor. They are more powerful and versatile, support high-level programming languages, can be linked together to form networks to share resources, have large storage capacities, can be carried from one place to another easily. Now, desktop, laptop, tablets, and smartphone are the example of fourth generation computer. These computers are still being developed into even more powerful and efficient machines. Comes to last but not the least, fifth generation computer, that is present and beyond. The fifth generation computers are used on artificial intelligence, that is AI. Artificial intelligence is the technology that enables computer to think, learn, and take decisions independently. Fifth generation computer can recognize speech and handwriting pattern, can recognize images and graphics, are capable of performing highly complex calculations at very high speed, are capable of communicating with other networked devices. Here you can see some pictures. Curiosity Mars rover collecting samples of rocks and Mars. A robot helping a doctor in surgery. A robot helping in assembling a car. Supercomputer. Robots are playing. Supercomputer and robots are two major applications of fifth generation computers. Smart devices such as smart car, smart kitchen appliances, and wearable devices are also based on artificial intelligence. Smart refrigerator ordering items online, self-driving car developed by Google, a drone delivering a package. Now comes to worksheet 1. We will going to solve the worksheet 1. Complete the table, that is computer generation, period, and technology used. In the first generation, the period is 1946 to 1958 and the technology used vacuum tubes. Second generation, 1956 to 1963, that is transistor. Technology used transistors. Third generation, 1964 to 1971, and the technology use integrated circuits. Fourth generation 1991 to present, that is microprocessor. Fifth generation present and beyond, and technology used artificial intelligence. Comes to take the correct answer, the first numerical calculator invented by man was abacus. The difference engine was invented by Charles Babbage. The second generation computer used transistor. The second machine invented by Charles Babbage was analytical engine. An application of fifth generation of computer is robotics. Fill in the blanks with the correct word. Microprocessors are used in dash generation of computer, that is fourth generation. Charles Babbage is known as the father of modern computer. The silicon chip on which transistors are placed are called semiconductor. Dash generation computers can recognize speech and handwriting pattern. That is fifth generation. The technology that enables computer to think on their own is called artificial intelligence. Now comes to true and false. First one, laptop and tablets are the example of third generation computer. That is false. ENIAC and UNIVAC are the examples of first generation computers. That is true. The abacus was invented after the computer. That is false. The third generation computer could run several programs at the same time. That is true. Fifth generation computer are based on artificial intelligence. That is true. Now girls, listen, you don't have to write these question answers. I will send a particular PDF for the question answers. That question answer you have to write. No need to write these question answers. Okay. Thank you.